about to go. I think I might actually tearing here. Time to refuel, getting my espresso, make that double. One day, YouTube Studios, and unfortunately, with the shoe shine, I do not have the shoes for that to get shined. Just some Skechers make my feet comfortable while I walk. Now to refuel. That scream. And now to my death.
The order is $4.19 and it's gonna be covered by load.
House-made beef and pork dog with sauerkraut made in house and spicy brown. Yeah, on a looks like a potato pond. Nobody can do hot dogs like New York City, I'm sorry. So good. Got me some brownies from the Fat Witch. Got me a little mini matcha one to try. Coffee one which is baked in with actual coffee, and also the Emerald City that has mint and everything in it. So I'll be trying those later. Still need to see if it's actual food and not desserts, because there's a whole lot more places to go here and they have a whole bunch of things. So we'll just keep on going, see what I end up finding. German beer. lemonade, sparkling. So as I wait for my truffle mozzarella cheese crepe, I'll go ahead and try the little donuts I bought. So we have Chai Me to the Moon. It's really good. Love the chai flavor. We have House of Cardamom. Thank you, sir. House of Cardamom has that definitely strong cardamom flavor. Almost like eating some type of a curry. Really, really good though. And here is my truffle. Ooh, that smells good. Mozzarella, nice and hot. Wow, that is good. Strong truffle flavor. But I love truffle. Truffle fans, rejoice.
Oh yeah, please. Vegetable oil, tomatillo, lots of cumin, and then that jalapeno.
So I asked for the stickiest cheese. I was gonna do Limburger on camera, but they don't have that. Everything's pretty much from the US. So this one is the stinkiest. It smells like feet after a long basketball game. So creamy texture. Definitely get that really funk at the end of it. My breath is gonna be kicking. Good thing my girlfriend's not with me, because if I tried to kiss her like this, she'd probably drop dead. Woo! Funky, funky, fresh. Bottoms up. Not bad. The heat's starting to rise up now. Yep. Probably should have done that one. So that little hot sauce spot. Have to deal with hot ones on YouTube, so I use most of that. Oh, fuck. Whew. That shit has me sweating.
Oh!
Holy fuck.
What the fuck?
mouth is on fire. Can't even tell. Yeah, my eyes are watering.
Got a pan in on that cry. This how hot it is, Mike. Look at that. You pan it in. See the tears coming down?
Holy fuck. Shit. This is gonna last 10 to 15 minutes. I need to get a drink. Fuck. Holy shit. Sinuses, I'm like, nose is running. Eyes are gonna have to like building up. Wow, sweet. It's a gelato place.
Got some ice cube chapstick? My lips are hot.
Do we have?
I think I'm like actually tearing here.
I probably look so sad right now.
Holy shit. Fuck me. Never again. Never again. Oh yeah. I need something to cool my mouth down. Oh fuck, why did I pick the hottest one? Fucking still fucking burn out. Get nose booger drool. Holy shit. Holy shit. I need to blow my nose. I'll be back. We're gonna try that ricotta with caramelized fig. Hopefully that does the trick. So I got me that ricotta with caramelized fig and then lime mint. So I'm gonna go lime mint first because that's a cooling sensation.
Going in with the ice.
Oh my god, that's so good. That nice limeade flavor with a cooling mint sensation, and it's actually working. My tongue is finally cooling down. Now I'll try some of the fig. Ricotta fig. That's really good too, nice and creamy, rich ricotta. With some of that fig flavor, kind of like if you're a fan of like fig Newtons stuff. Like fig Newtons with cream. So good. So, the Japanese Mexican taco style. It's got this spicy tuna. I know you're like, oh my god, I was just crying because of that. They said it's a mild flavor, so we'll see. Nice and crunchy. Cheers. Back in my mouth. Yep, very good. Super mild. This has a nice little kick to it. I'm not gonna cry. Some nice unsweetened hibiscus lemongrass tea. So tasty, so good. Love it. Alright, back on the High Line. Headed to Ports Authority, which is the bus terminal here in New York that will bring me to New Jersey. On my walk on the High Line, picked up more energy. Nitro Cold Brew from Stumptown Coffee, which has awesome roasters. So this thing is delicious if you love coffee. So just gonna take in the sun, take in the beautiful breeze, lovely coffee, and make my way over to Port Authority. And from there, head home, well, head to my ex-home New Jersey, where I'll see my parents, my brother. Probably tomorrow go check out my sister, her husband, and the new dog that she got. Cocker Spaniel named Bob. So this was where I had started from, by the vessel, which I didn't walk down this one little walkway, but this is what's over here. She has the little ponytails. I got the dreads. We're in Port Authority bus terminal station. Gonna get tickets for the bus to Jersey, where I'll be going to the one mall. Used to hang out a bit. That's when my brother's gonna come pick me up, because it's about 10 minutes or so from my parents' house in Patterson.